Here we have number 7. We're going to find the missing measurement for each figure here. So this is a trapezoid. We have the area of a trapezoid formula right there. So we're going to use it. A equals to 35, B equals to 25, so the height is just what's missing. Area equals to A plus B divided by 2 times the height. It's best to put this in a parentheses. Let's make our substitution. This becomes 750 for the area. I have my A is 35, my B is 25, divide that by 2 times my height. I can actually simplify what is inside the parentheses. 35 plus 25 divided by 2 gets us 30. So we have 30 height. All right, now to solve for it, we can just divide by 30 to both sides. And that gets you your height. 750 divided by 30, that gets you height is equal to 25. Then we have the area of the kite. Okay, we know that the area equals to 137.9. There's something very interesting about the diagonals here. Notice that all the sides are congruent. Therefore, this and this are congruent. Therefore, this and this are also congruent. Okay? So, you can label this as X, this is X, this is X, and this is X. So, in short, you can see the diagonal 1 is 2x and the diagonal 2 can be 2x. Right? So the area equals to 1/2 the diagonal 1, 2x times 2x. Right? So this is 137.9 is equal to 1/2 times 4x squared. Let's see, 1/2 times 4 is 2, so 2x squared is equal to 137.9. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2. 137.9 divided by 2. It is 68.95 is equal to x squared. If you take the square root of 68.95 is equal to x. 68.95. It is roughly, approximately, x is equal to 8.3. Okay, so there you go. All right, that is how you find the missing measurement of the area of a trapezoid or the area of a kite. All right.